1 week after his brother wins the 250 East title, Jett Lawrence has the easiest probably route to his second 250 title, this time on the West, being 39 points above RJ Hampshire. I'm pretty sure if the math works out, and I've done this correctly, as long as he finishes like ninth, I want to say, or up, it doesn't matter what RJ Hampshire does. As long as Jett doesn't DQ, finish dead last in the last two races, he's got this title locked up. With, again, 39 points, it's pretty much a guarantee that he'll run around, especially this year with all the injuries and everybody being out, and the last couple rounds, that he'll get his whatever 2 or 3 points probably that he actually needs. Oh no, he needs 11 or something like that. He'll get his point total. So it'll be kind of neat to see. Obviously, I think he's going to get it done. Comments down below, you tell me if he does or if it's going to be the last round, whatever it is. But it'd be pretty cool to see him running the championship, or getting his championship a week after his brother, and then for the last round, the shootout, that, or whatever you want to call it, the East-West thing, that they'll both be 250 champions running together. In the comments below, you tell me. Do you think he gets it this round, next round, or maybe do you think he does DQ for the last two? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.